Hey programmer, in today's video we will know about what is the purpose of head section in an HTML document. So let's begin. The section of an HTML document contains meta information about the page that is not directly displayed to user. These include elements like the title, which sets the title of the page, visible on the browser tab, meta tags for character encoding the viewport setting, links to external style sheets, scripts, and other metadata. The head section plays a crucial role in defining how the page should be interpreted and displayed by the browser. Have you ever noticed the title of a web page in your browser tab? Which part of the HTML document do you think controls that? Just comment below. This is question for you. Please comment below for this question. Thank you for watching the video. If you like this video, just comment, or if you watch this video in YouTube, subscribe us, or if you watch this video in TikTok, follow us. Thank you for more.